Students, today we are going to learn the next topic, integration by substitution. So yesterday what we learned yesterday, what is an integration? The point to be noted is integration and differentiation are reverse process to each other. So if you know the differentiation formula, you can write integration formula. From that you written many. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x plus c, where c resembles set of all antiderivatives. Derivative of sin x is cos x, integration of cos x is sin x plus c, like that. So if you know the differentiation, you can write all integration formula, and we retain all integration basic formulas and properties. Integration of f plus g is equal to integration of f plus integration of g, integration of f minus g, integration of f minus integration of g, integration of k into f, k into integration of f of x dx. So if a function is constant multiple of within the integral there is a constant multiple of function, then constant can be taken outside. So these are the what we learned yesterday. The definition of integration: the integration is reverse to differentiation, the standard formula of integration, properties of integration, and we did some basic problems using the standard formula. So that's what we completed yesterday. Now today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn the new topic. This is integration by substitution. You will get 3 marks question from this, integration by substitution. So substitution method. So method of substitution, this is called. So we evaluate integrals by using substitution method. So before going to the topic, my request to all of you is that you have to buy all those 11 formulas and the 3 properties and solve the first class problems, whatever the basic problems we solved using standard formula. So you have to be thorough with the first lesson so that you can follow the second lesson. So what you have to do, guys? What you have to do? You have to buy all 11 standard formulas. Why I am saying that? Because many formulas are going to come in the chapter. So if you know those 11, then we give the few more. So that's why today I am going to give a few more. So another 9 formulas. Yesterday 11 plus 9, total 20 formulas it becomes. So now let us first of all, before going into the topic integration by substitution, let us give some more formulae. Yes, these are the formulas. Some more formulae. What is that? You see, derivative of sine inverse x. What is derivative of sine inverse x? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is sine inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Second formula, derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c. Are you getting? Or minus cot inverse x plus c. Integration of 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx is sec inverse x plus c or minus cosec inverse x plus c. Are you getting? Integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is sine inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. The third formula we won't use much, but integration of 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx is sec inverse x plus c. So we use commonly these two formulas. Okay. Integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is sine inverse x plus c, and integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. Now these are inverse. Now coming to hyperbolic. Derivative of sin hx is cos hx. Derivative of cos hx is sin hx. Similar, from the derivative formula you can write integration formula. Integration of sin hx is cos hx. Integration of cos hx is sin hx. Integration of sec h square is tan hx. So if you know the basic trigonometric formula, integration of sin x minus cos x, here cos hx. Integration of cos x sin x. Integration of sec square x tan h. Here integration of sec h square x tan hx. Integration of cosec h square x minus cot hx. Integration of sec hx into tan hx minus sec hx plus c. Integration of cosec hx into cot hx, it is minus cosec hx plus c. So only differs here, you will get minus, there you will get plus, and here there you will get minus, here you will get plus. Almost all same. So these are the formulas. I am giving more formulas. At a time, if I give 20, you may not by heart them, you may confuse. That's why I am giving some of them. So in the first class itself, I given the basic 11 formulas. Now in the second class, I am giving some more formulas, that is at about 9 formulas. So altogether 20. So guys, what to do? You have to by heart all these formulas. So without formulas, you cannot do anything. So you should by heart these formulas. Very easy once you read it and remember it and try to tell your own, then you will get it. So these are the formulas. What are that? Integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. The second formula, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. Third one, integration of 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 dx is sec inverse x plus c or minus cosec inverse x plus c. Read them. Integration of sin hx is cos hx plus c. Integration of cos hx is sin hx plus c. Integration of sec h square x is equal to tan hx plus c. Integration of cosec h square x dx minus cot hx plus c. Integration of sec hx into tan hx is minus sec hx plus c. Integration of cosec hx into cot hx is minus cosec hx plus c. So these are the formulas. Only you have to remember the first two, because we use them frequently, and the next 6 formulas are very similar to trigonometric. These hyperbolic integrations are very similar to integrations of trigonometric functions. So already you know it, so it is very easy to remember. Are you getting, guys? So note down the formulas and by heart all those formulas. So altogether we have the total 20 formulas. So repeatedly read them, by heart them, remember them, so that you can do the problems. Are you getting, guys? So these are the new formulas I given. Now let us get into the topic. What is actual our topic is integration by substitution. The new topic, today's topic is integration by substitution. Now let us get into the topic. This is integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. Now you see, evaluate what you are having. Evaluate integration of ax plus b all power of n into dx. You see the question. Evaluate integration of ax plus b all power of n if it is if integration of x to the power of n. What is integration of x to the power of n? Integration of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. It is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. But here you see, instead of x, we are having ax plus b. Ax plus b. So, we have to convert into the standard form. It is not in the standard form. X to the power of n into d of x. This is a standard formula. Integration of x to the power of n into d of x. But here ax plus b, instead of x we are having ax plus b. So what to do? What to do is, that is the problem. You have to substitute. So at place of x, what you are having? At place of x we are having x plus b. So now we solve it by using substitution. It is not in standard formula. The standard formula is x to the power of n into dx. But here Instead of x to the power of n, you are having ax plus b whole power of n. So at place of x, we are having ax plus b. So substitute t is equal to ax plus b. I am substituting. At place of x, we are having ax plus b. So I am substituting that term ax plus b by t. Are you getting? T is equal to ax plus b. Now differentiate. Derivative of t is dt into a into x derivative dx. What is b? B is a constant. Constant derivative 0. What is dx? Dt is equal to a into dx. So dx is equal to dt by e, dt by a. But we got dx is equal to dt by a. Now substitute in the integration. Integration of ax plus b whole power of n into dx. What is ax plus b? Ax plus b is t. Okay. What is dx? Dt by a. Inside the integration, if there are constants, you can take the constants outside. Therefore, 1 by a constant outside. Integration of t power of n into dt. Integration of t power of n into dt. Now it is of the form x power of n into dx. Are you getting? X power of n into x is there, then it should be dx. Now here t power of n into dt. Same. Are you getting? X to the power, integration of x to the power of n into dx. Instead of x, we are having t now. If once it is t, then it should be dt. X means dx, x to the power of n into dx. Now t power of n into dt. So it is of the same type, only variable change. Integration of t power of n into dt is t power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Are you getting? So what is t? T is equal to ax plus b. So 1 by a into ax plus b whole power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now you see. Now I want to make sure. See the result. Integration of ax plus b whole power of n into dx is, what is that? Ax plus b whole power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by a. What we got? Extra term. X power of n integration is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now ax plus b whole power of n integration is ax plus b whole power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by a. What is this is extra term. What is a? A is a coefficient of x. So 1 by a into ax plus b whole power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Are you getting? Guys? So this type, these are not in standard formulae, but these problems by substitution can be converted into standard formulae. Given problem is not in the standard form, but substitution it is converted into standard form. But if you look at the answer, the final result, it is ax plus b whole power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by a. Just 1 by x coefficient is extra. Are you getting? So let us see one more so that you can observe. What we can observe is, you see, evaluate. The second one is evaluate integration of 1 by ax plus b into dx. What is the standard form? The standard formula is 1 by x into dx. Okay, this is the formula. The standard formula is 1 by x into dx. Are you getting? Integration of 1 by x into dx is log x. But instead of x, what you are having? Instead of x, 1 minute. No, come on. Yes. Instead of x, we are having x plus b. Integration of 1 by x dx is log x plus c. But here what we are having, integration of 1 by ax plus b into dx, it is not of standard form. but you have to convert into standard form by using the substitution at place of x. What you are having ax plus b. So substitute t is equal to ax plus b. Derivative of t is dt, a into x derivative dx plus b derivative b is a constant 0, dt is equal to a into dx, very similar to the previous problem. So dx is equal to dt by a. Substitute in the given integration 1 by ax plus b into dx, it is integration 1 by t into dt by a. At place of ax plus b t, and at place of dx you have to substitute dt by a, 1 by a constant outside, integration of 1 by t dt. Are you getting? Now you see the formula. Given problem is not in the standard form, but by substitution what we got? It is converted into standard form. 1 by x dx. If x is a variable, then dx. Now t is a variable, then dt. So 1 by t dt. So by substitution, what are we doing? We are converting the unknown integral into the known integral. Unfamiliar integral to familiar integral. The integral which is not in the standard form into the standard form. So that's what is a substitution method does. It does that it converts the unknown integral to a known integral. That's what we are doing here, you see. 1 by x integration of 1 by x dx is log x, integration of 1 by t dt is log t. So 1 by a log t plus c. What is t? T is equal to ax plus b, that is 1 by a log of ax plus b plus c. So what can you observe? Integration of, now observe the results. Integration of 1 by ax plus b into dx is log of ax plus b. It is of the form 1 by x, but into what you are getting? 1 by a. What is a? A is x coefficient. So are you getting? So 1 by x integration log x, 1 by ax plus b integration log ax plus b into 1 by a, or divided by a, where what is a? A is x coefficient. So from these two things we did, two problems we did here. What are they? The first one is integration of ax plus b all power of n. What is the final result? You see, ax plus b all power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by x coefficient 1 by a. This is the second result. Is integration of 1 by ax plus b. What is the final result? Log of ax plus b into 1 by a, where a is a x coefficient. Are getting, guys? Are getting? So from this observation, what we can write? You see, this is what we can write. What is that, guys? Integration of cos x. Integration of cos x. What is integration of sin cos x? Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Now integration of cos x, x coefficient is a here. So what will get? Sin x into 1 by a, that is 1 by a sin x plus c. Now integration of cos ax plus b. What is x coefficient? A. So 1 by a into sin of ax plus b plus c. If cos ax, then it is sin x. If cos of ax plus b, then it is sin of ax plus b. Are you getting? Are you getting? So what is multiplied by 1 by a? Ax means x, ax plus b means x plus b. Integration of sec square x. Integration of sec square x. Integration of sec square x. Integration of sec x is tan x. Now sec square x, x coefficient a, 1 by a into tan x. Integration of sec square x plus b, 1 by a into tan x plus b. Integration of sec x into tan x. Sec x into tan x, sec x plus c. Sec x into tan x, 1 by a into sec x plus c. Are you getting, guys? So this is the observation we made. So one more time you see. So whenever we know cos x integration is sin x. Cos x integration is sin x. But what is the integration of cos x? How to do? By substitution. Put t is equal to x. Then derivative, substitute, you get answer. But without doing that, we observed in what we observed in previous two examples. Evaluate integration x plus b whole power of n into dx. At place of x, we are having x plus b. Substitution method we solve. Observe the final answer. What is that? It is ax plus b whole power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 multiplied by 1 by a, where a is x coefficient. X coefficient is a. Again here 1 by ax plus b. Observe the final answer. Log of ax plus b multiplied by 1 by a, where what is a? A is x coefficient. Similarly, you can write all 20 formulas. All 20 formulas that are given, you can write one by one. Okay. Integration of e power of x. What is integration of e power of x? E power of x integration is e power of x, right? E power of x plus c, right? Good. Now, integration of e power of ax. What is the integration of e power of ax into dx? It is 1 by a into e power of x plus c. Now, what is the integration of e power of x plus b into dx? It is again x coefficient 1 a. So 1 by a e power of x plus b into dx. 1 by a e power of x plus b plus c. Are you getting? So what is coming? What is coming here? Not only the standard formulae, if they in a standard formula x is a multiple of a constant, then also you can write integration. That's what I am telling. Integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. What is the integration of sec square of 5x? That is 1 by 5 into tan 5x plus c. Are you getting? That's what I am saying. That's it. Very easy. So all 20 formulas you can write at place of x, you can write ax or ax plus b. It is multiplied by 1 by a, that is 1 by x coefficient. Are you getting, guys? So this is integration by substitute, and the basic thing, very very basic. Directly by seeing the problem you can answer without substituting. Without substituting, can you answer this? Without substituting, can you answer this? Integration 1 by x plus b into dx, it is of the form 1 by x. So 1 by x integration log x, 1 by x plus b integration log of x plus b into multiplied by 1 by a. So 1 by a log of x plus b. Can you tell this integration of x plus b whole power of n into dx? It is of the form x to the power of n. So x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c is our formula. Now ax plus b whole power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c multiplied by 1 by a. That's it. So by seeing the formula, by seeing the problem, you can directly tell the answer without doing any substitution, because we observed in two problems and now we applied to all other formulas etc. You can write all 20. I written only 5, you can write all 20. So we observed there and we are writing here. So by observing this one, that is multiplied by 1 by x coefficient is the answer. That's it. So by seeing the problem itself, you can tell the integration without applying substitution method. Are you getting? For these simple formulas, simple problems. Yes. Okay. Now problems. Coming to the problems. Evaluate integration of 2x minus 3 whole power of 8 into dx. Now you see. It is of the form. You see the form now. I said, you see. I given question number 1. It is a problem, because these are one step you can do it within the one step. By observing the previous slide, you see this previous slide observation, you see cos x integration sin x. Cos x integration is 1 by a into sin x. Sec x integration is tan x. Sec square x integration is 1 by a tan x. If it is ax plus b, then it is tan ax plus b. That's it. Very easy. Yes. Now first problem in a bit. Evaluate integration of 2x minus 3 whole power of 8 into dx. 2x minus 3 whole power of 8 into dx. Now it is of the form x to the power of n. Then x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here also 2x minus 3 whole power of 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 multiplied by x coefficient. What is x coefficient? 2. So 1 by 2 into 2x minus 3 whole power of 9 by 9 plus c. Are you getting? By seeing the problem directly, we written in the note. So from that observation I am writing. So you see the second formula, second problem, b bit, evaluate integration of e power of 5x minus 7 into dx. Evaluate integration of e power of 5x minus 7 into dx. What do you see in a bracket? What I written is integration of e power of x into dx plus b into dx is 1 by a into e power of x plus b. Now what is x coefficient is 5, therefore it is 1 by 5 e power of 5x minus 7 into dx. Are you getting? Are you getting? Directly you can write by seeing the problem. You know the integration of e power of x. E power of x integration is e power of x plus c. Similarly, e power of 5x minus 7 is e power of 5x minus 7 multiplied by 1 by x coefficient. That's it. Very easy. Can you tell all this now? See, if you see, evaluate integration of sec square of 2x plus 3 into dx. Evaluate integration of sec square of 2x plus 3 into dx. Integration of sec square is tan x. Integration of sec square of x plus b is 1 by a into tan x plus b. Now at place of a you are having 2, therefore it is 1 by 2 into tan of 2x plus 3 plus c. You see the d bit, you see the d1. Evaluate integration of 1 by 1 minus 8x dx. Already we did in the second problem. Integration of 1 by x plus b into dx is 1 by a log of x plus b plus c. Now what is x coefficient? X coefficient is minus 8. That's why it is minus 1 by 8 log of 1 minus 8x dx. Are you confusing? Don't confuse. What is the x coefficient? Previously it is 2. Now it is minus 8. Therefore 1 by minus 8. That can be written as minus 1 by 8. Very, very easy. Are you getting? By looking at the problem, you can directly write the solution, integral value. Are you getting? Very easy. So, can you see? Let us do the more like this. You see, evaluate integration of sine n pi x by 7 into dx. Sine n pi x by 7 into dx. Sine x integration minus cos x. Sin x integration minus cos x by a, that is minus 1 by a into cos x. X coefficient. Now sin of n pi x by 7. What is the x coefficient? X coefficient is n pi by 7. So what is answer? Minus 1 by n pi by 7 cos of n pi x by 7 plus c. If it comes up, then it is minus 7 by n pi cos of n pi x by 7 plus c. Are you getting? Are you getting? Just a, at place of a we are having n pi by 7, that is 1 by n pi by 7. Reverse, you will get 7 by n pi. That's it. Very easy. By looking at the formula problem, you can write directly integration of e power of minus x plus 8 sin x minus 6 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now integration of f plus g is integration of f plus integration of g. So integration of e power of minus x dx, 8 constant outside, 8 into integration of sin x dx minus 6 constant outside, integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. E power of x integration, e power of x, e power of minus x integration, 1 by minus 1 into e power of minus x. X coefficient is minus 1. Observe that. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, and integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. So final answer is minus of e power of minus x plus 8 cos x plus 6 into sin inverse x plus c. Very easy problems. Just observing you got it. Are you getting, guys? Are you getting? This is integration by substitution. Very, very simple basic problems on integration by substitution. Yes, what is the time left? It is another 20 minutes. So let us go to some more problems on integration by substitution. You see, sine square x. Do we have a formula for integration of sine square? No. We have a formula for tan square. No, we have a formula for sec square. We have a formula for cosec square. If tan square comes, then we written in terms of sec square minus 1. For tan square, you can able to find. If it is cot square, then cot square can be written as cosec square minus 1, and you can able to find integration of cosec square also, cot square also. So we have tan square, cot square, sec square, cosec square, directly standard formulas. Now tan square, cot square we find by using sec square and cosec square. Now integration of sine square. Do we have a formula for integration of sine square? No. No. But you can write in the form of sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So integration of sine square a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2, that is 1 by 2 constant outside, integration of 1 minus cos 2x. 1 by 2 integration of dx is x minus, now substitution, integration of cos 2x. Cos x integration sin x. Cos ax integration sin x by a, that is sin 2x by 2. So this is 1 by 2 into x minus sin 2x by 2. Similarly, integration of cos square x. What is cos square a formula? Cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Here 1 plus cos 2x by 2, 1 by 2 constant, integration of 1 plus cos 2x. 1 into dx is dx, integration of dx is x. Cos ax integration 1 by a into sin x, therefore 1 by 2 into sin 2x. This is the final answer. Are you getting? Yes. So elaborate on this. Let us go to the next problem. Evaluate integration of sine square of 3x plus dx. Sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. We have at place of a, now we are having 3x. What you are having? 3x. So 1 minus cos 2 into at place of a, right, 3x by 2. 2 into 3x, 6x. 1 by 2 constant outside, integration of 1 minus cos 6x. 1 into dx is dx, integration of dx is x. Cos x integration 1 by a into sin x. So therefore 1 by 2 into x minus sin 6x by 6, very similar to the previous ones. Are you getting? Are you getting, guys? Just use of the formula sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2, and here integration by substitution method. No need to use substitute t is equal to 6x. We have the observation. What is that? Integration of cos is sine. Integration of cos ax is 1 by a into sin ax. That's it. Just apply that. You will get it. Yes. Another 15 minutes more. So let us try to cover more problems, guys. So now third problem, evaluate integration sine cube x into dx. We have a formula for sine x, so that you can write for sine ax or sine ax plus b, but you cannot write for sine cube. If it is sine square, you can write sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2, previous problem. But now it is not sine square, not sine ax, it is sine cube. It is sine cube x. So what to do? What to do? Yes, record the formula. Multiple angles. Sine 3a. What is sine 3a? 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Sine 3a is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. From this, if you take minus 4 sine cube a to that side, 1 minute. Minus 4 sine cube a to this side, 4 to this side, 1 by 4, 3 sine a minus sine 3a. Now substitute sine cube x at place of a x. 1 by 4 constant outside, 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Okay, 1 by 4, 3 into integration of sine x is minus cos x. Minus of integration of sine x is minus cos x. Integration of sine ax is minus 1 by a into cos ax, that is minus cos 3x by 3. So what you got? Final answer is 1 by 4 minus 3 cos x plus minus into minus plus cos 3x by 3. Are you getting, guys? Are you getting? So we have for sine cube, but we didn't have integration formula for sine cube. We have a formula for sine x, or we can have a formula for sine ax plus b or sine ax. We can have a formula, we can find the integral of sine square by using 1 minus cos 2a by 2. But sine cube you don't have, so use the formula sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. From that sine cube a is equal to 1 by 4 3 sine a minus sine 3a. Substitute, you get answer. So what I am using here, integration of sine x is minus cos x, integration of sine 3x is minus cos 3x by 3x, coefficient is 3, so divide by 3. So these are the applications of integration by substitution. So firstly we did very simple. Now about concept of type. Are you getting? This is only the third problem. So let us quickly move so that we have to cover more and more problems in this lesson, guys. So this is my problem. Evaluate integration of sine 7x to cos 3x dx. Integration of sine 7x into cos 3x. We can write for integration of sine 7x or integration of cos 3x. But here multiplication. Integration of sine 7x into cos 3x. You can easily remember we have a formula for 2 sine a cos b, but you are having only sine a sine b. So multiply and divide with 2. 1 by 2 to 2 sine 7x cos 3x. 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b formula. What is that? Sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. What is a? A is equal to 7x. And what is b? B is equal to 3x. A plus b 10. A minus b 7 minus 3 4. So what will get 1 by 2 into integration of sine 10x plus sine 4x. Now integration of sine x. What is the integration of sine x? Minus cos x. Yes, integration of sine x is minus cos x. Now integration of sine x is 1 by a minus 1 by a cos x. So integration of sine 10x is minus cos 10x by 10. Integration of sine 4x is minus cos 4x by 4. Take the minus common. What will get? Minus 1 by 2 cos 10x by 10 plus cos 4x by 4 plus c is the answer. Are you getting? So these are the problems previously came for 3 marks. Important. Why so? Because we are using the formula, you see, trigonometric formula. Sums can be written, product can be written in terms of sums. Integration of sine 7x into cos 3x, sine a into cos b. But formula is 2 sine a cos b. So multiply and divide with 2. We got 2 sine 7x cos 3x, that is in the form of 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b is sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Just apply, you get the answer. Previously came for 3 marks. Can you do similar problem? Can you do? Now try to do this. Try to do this. The 5th problem is evaluate integration of cos mx into cos nx dx. Evaluate integration of cos mx into cos nx dx. Can you guess the first step, guys? What you are having? What you are having? We are having integration of cos mx into cos nx. It is of the form cos a into cos b. Cos a into cos b. What to do? We have a formula for 2 cos a cos b. So first of all, what to do? First of all, you have to multiply and divide by 2 in order to get into the form 2 cos a cos b. That's it. That's it. Very good, guys. Very good. So that's what you have to do. As like the previous problem. There you got sin a cos b. Now you are having cos a cos b. So cos a cos b, you need 2 cos a cos b. So multiply and divide by 2. So 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b is equal to, what is that you are having? 2 cos a cos b, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. What is a here? A is equal to mx. b is equal to nx. mx plus nx is m plus nx. mx minus nx is m minus nx. So instead of numbers, we are having m and n. Don't confuse. The previous problem we are having 7x and 3x. 7 and 3 numbers. Here also m and n are numbers, but they are denoted. They are constant. We are writing not instead of numbers, they are writing m and m. They are also constants. Don't confuse. So 1 by 2 constant outside, integration of cos m plus nx plus cos m minus nx. Now use of integration by substitution method. Cos x integration sin x. Cos ax integration 1 by a into sin ax. Here cos m plus nx integration sin m plus nx by m plus n. Cos m minus nx integration sin m minus nx by m minus n. So this is my final answer. 1 by 2 into sin m plus nx by m plus n plus sin m minus nx by m minus n plus c. Are you getting? So like this, there are many. Not only 2 sin a cos b and 2 cos a cos b. We have two more. First one is 2 sin a cos b, that we did. Next one is 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b means sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. And third one is 2 cos a cos b. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. And fourth one is minus 2 sin a sin b. It is minus 2 sin a sin b. It is cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. So whenever you get in that form, so multiply and divide by 2, they will be converted into standard form. Then use the standard form, so product into sums, then use the substitution to get answer. These 4 and 5 problems are repeatedly came for 3 marks in examination. Are you getting, guys? 4th and 5th problems. What is the time left? Yes, another 5 minutes. So let us quickly complete one more problem. I want to try to cover all types so that you can do any type problem on this topic, guys. So let me cover S. This is my last problem. Evaluate integration 1 by square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 2 into dx. Simple problem, nothing is there here. But if it comes exams, one time it came in exam, yes, I think 1 or 2 times. You have to get idea, that's it. Once you get idea, then it is very easy, nothing is there. Okay, see. Evaluate integration 1 by square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 2 into dx. Denominator is a surd. So rationalization, irrational factor is there, rationalization. So denominator, what you are having? Plus. So multiply and divide with minus. So once you get this idea, it's enough. Are you getting what I am saying? Once you are able to get this idea, that completes the problem. So what the idea you should give, you should get, that is the denominator is of irrational factor. So rationalization solves the solution. That's it. So here in denominator you are having plus. So you are having plus, multiply and divide with minus. So multiply into square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 2 by square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 2. Are you getting? So look at the denominator, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is s square minus b square. So integration of square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 2. A square, that is square root of x plus 1 whole square means square and square root cancel. X plus 1 minus b square, square root of x plus 2 whole square means square root and square cancel. X plus 2 plus x minus x cancel. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So that is minus 1 into integration of x plus 1 whole power of 1 by 2 minus x plus 2 whole power of 1 by 2. Square root means whole power of 1 by 2. Which form? X to the power of n. Integration of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now integration of x plus 1 whole power of 1 by 2. What is x coefficient? X coefficient is 1. So 1 by a, that is 1 only. Now x plus 1 whole power of 1 by 2 is x plus 1 whole power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So x plus 1 whole power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, and the second term is also integration of x plus 2 whole power of 1 by 2 is x plus 2 whole power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. What is the x coefficient in both the cases? The x coefficient is 1. So 1 by 1 itself. If it is 2, then 1 by 2. If it is 3, then 1 by 3. Integration by substitution. So this 3 by 2 upside. So what happens? It is 2 by 3. Multiply with minus. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. So what is my final answer? 2 by 3 into x plus 2 whole power of 3 by 2 minus x plus 1 whole power of 3 by 2 plus c. This is my answer. Are you getting? Nothing is there. Very easy problems. So tomorrow we get into the concept, real concept of substitution, how we solve various problems by using the substitution. So this is to the introduction of substitution itself. So let us do more and more problems on substitution and the other type of problems on substitution tomorrow. Tomorrow let us do. Are you getting, guys? So these are the simple problems. So what we did today, I given the more 9 formulas. 9 more formulas. Yesterday 11, today 9, total 20 formulas. So my humble request to all of you that you have to by hand all those 20 formulas. Then only you can face the problems. Okay, how to solve the problems if you know the formulas and read the properties. And before, after reading the properties, after reading by heading the formulas, after reading the concept, don't directly go to the homework. First of all, solve these 6 problems. Try to practice these 6 problems so that what are the hurdles are that you are facing, you can get it, because you are a new learner. So try to solve one by one problem. Try to practice one by one. So what are the logic they are using? What are the steps they are using? How they are solving the integration? What formulas are they are using? So all that you will get a clarity on that. Once you get a clear clarity, once you practice all these problems, so what to do? Read the formulas, by heart the formulas, read the properties, read the concept, then practice the solved problems, then go for homework. Are you getting, guys? Then go for homework. So this is a time to give homework, I think. Yes, homework. Let us try to give homework. 1-2 minutes are left, so let us finish up with the homework, guys. So homework is evaluate integration of 7x minus 6 whole power of 5 into dx. You can directly answer it, yes or no. It is of x to the power of n dx. Therefore x power of n integration x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore 7x minus 6 whole power of 5 is 7x minus 6 whole power of 6 by 6 multiplied by 1 by x coefficient, it is 1 by 7. So what is answer? 1 by 7 into 7x minus 6 whole power of 6 by 6 plus c. Yes or no? Yes, good. Second one, evaluate cos cube x. You have a formula for cos x or sin x, or you can cos square you can write 1 plus cos 2a by 2, but cos cube, so use the formula of cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. From that to write cos cube a, then substitute to get answer. And third one, evaluate cos 4x into cos 2x, cos a cos b. Multiply and divide with 2, you get 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Then you can draw. So these are my homework problems. So try to solve, try to practice the the solved problems. Read the formulas, properties, then read the concept, practice solved problems, then try to do the homework problems, you will get it. So this is my next in this class we covered the new topic, that is integration by substitution. We continue this into the next day also, because there are more types of problems on this. So let us try to cover those problems in next class. So until then, thank you, bye, see you tomorrow. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye, see you.